What did you say your name was again?
Hi, Mr. Morgan. My name is Carl Wheezer. Hi, how are you?
I'm slightly less better after having listened to you. What the hell's wrong with you, boy?
Well, some people say that I'm a little zoftic. I do have a little weight problem, and I am particularly predisposed to liking llamas. Do you like llamas, Mr. Morgan?
Well, they taste pretty good the few times I've had them. Anyways, you owe me money, son.
I do. Wait a minute. Hold it. Hold the phone.
I heard from my business partner, Harry Strauss. Now, you owe me a bit of money, and we gotta sort this out now.
Well, wait a minute. Have you ever killed a man?
Well... Well, maybe I did and maybe I didn't. That's for you to find out soon enough, son. Now, do you have the money or not?
Well, I don't know how much you need, Arthur. Mr. Morgan, how much money?
It's gonna be a nickel, son. A nickel of your goddamn life, boy.
Oh, well, okay. I've got a nickel in my pocket, and I'm really glad to see